Hey there, food lovers! Today, we have a treat for you, literally. We're sharing 10 healthy and delicious dessert ideas that you need to try, in no particular order. Simplified instructions for each dessert can be found in the video description. Who said healthy eating can't be satisfying and indulgent? Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body at the same time. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what makes a dessert healthy. These desserts are crafted with nutrient-dense ingredients, lower in refined sugars, and packed with wholesome goodness. So, get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth guilt-free. First up at number 10 is chocolate avocado mousse. It's rich, creamy, and loaded with heart-healthy fats from avocados. Next up at number 9, we have Chia Seed Pudding, a delightful and versatile dessert that's packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. At number 8, we have baked apples with cinnamon. It's a warm and comforting treat that's naturally sweet and loaded with antioxidants. At number 7, we have Greek Yogurt Parfait, a delightful combination of creamy yogurt, fresh fruits, and crunchy granola for a balanced and protein-packed dessert. Coming in at number 6, we have banana ice cream. Yes, you heard it right. Ice cream that's made entirely from frozen bananas. It's naturally sweet and creamy, without any added sugars. At number 5 is dark chocolate-dipped strawberries. Indulge in the decadence of dark chocolate while enjoying the natural sweetness of juicy strawberries. At number 4, we have energy balls, a convenient and bite-sized dessert packed with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits for a burst of energy and nutrients. Number 3 is baked oatmeal with berries, a warm and comforting dish that combines the goodness of oats, antioxidant-rich berries, and a hint of sweetness. Coming in at number 2, we have a classic. Homemade fruit sorbet. Blend up your favorite fruits, freeze, and enjoy a refreshing and naturally sweet dessert that's bursting with vitamins and minerals. Finally, our number 1 healthy and delicious dessert, dark chocolate avocado truffles. These little bites of heaven are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and simply irresistible. There you have it, 10 healthy and delicious desserts you need to try. These treats prove that you can satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your body. Remember, moderation is key, and these desserts are meant to be enjoyed as part of a balanced lifestyle. Which dessert are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes and healthy food ideas. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious and nutritious side of life.